Hi, my name is Dr. Forrester Dean. I am a chiropractor, physiotherapist, and primary care physician practicing in Manhattan Beach, California. In this episode, we are going to discuss download number 4, Your Expectations. So please go to the website, betterpatientsolutions.org, click on the Services tab, scroll down, look for number 4, Your Expectations. And then just below, you can find download number 4. Go ahead and click that, download that, and print it. And here we have it. So the reason I created download number 4 is I really want you to be able to relay to the doctor that you don't just have treatment expectations, you also have, you want to work with a doctor who's polite, that is caring, that is really listening to what your values are, what type of treatments you're interested in, what type of treatments you want to avoid, that you're a person and you're not just a generalized knee that's landed in their office that's inflamed and in pain. So I created this worksheet for these 3 benefits. Doctors want patient satisfaction. Honestly, they really do. They really want their patients to get better. So this is going to help your doctor help themselves get you better. You help the doctor by setting your expectations up front. And like I said, not just expectations for the treatment or to eliminate pain, but to treat you like a person and to please consider my values and the type of treatment plans that are going to interest me. And the last one is your doctor can direct you to your preferred treatment plan once they understand your preferences. So this worksheet has several sections. The first section I created just to help you out because sometimes it's hard to come up with the words yourself. In the doctor's office, I created 8 statements that honestly, as a doctor, I would love it if my patients came in and said, for example, I am hoping to find a doctor that will take the time to understand me as a person, not as a problem. So those 8 statements are examples of things. You can look through those, you can make up your own, but I recommend that you write them down. So those are choices. Then I want you to ask the doctor to diagnose you today. And you're going to write the diagnosis here. And then you're going to ask the doctor to describe your diagnosis in plain language. And then you were going to ask him, what's the original problem or cause? So pain is not a diagnosis and pain is not your problem. It's a symptom. Something else is causing this problem. And so you want to ask the doctor to explain this to you. Now, the next section is a set of variable, let's say, treatment options that I have written down for you that you may or may not know are out there, but they are things that you can check, that you say, for example, I am or am not interested in oral drugs that are addictive, have unpleasant side effects, or do not treat my problem. That might be something you need to tell the doctor. So there are some different things I've said there. And then I want you to write down all of your doctor's recommendations right here. What is the doctor saying? His or her first choice, the doctor's second choice, third choice, based on your values that you're discussing here in these couple of minutes when you're working on this worksheet with the doctor. You want to know what the risks are. You want to know what the costs that are associated. And most importantly, make sure you ask your doctor to recommend treatments that are within your plan, that have the lowest deductibles. For example, if your doctor has to order a lab, labs can be, the same lab, depending on where they send it to, can be $75 or $700. All blood is analyzed and reported the same way. There are no magic labs that are better than other labs. They're all exactly the same. So ask for the lowest cost, and you want to ask for make sure the services and all the service providers they recommend are within your plan. And if they aren't, you want to know what is your out-of-pocket costs for those services. Okay, so the pearl for this worksheet is that you're going to be able to start talking about your treatment plan, your diagnosis with the doctor, and how those are matching up with your values. I am Dr. Forrester Dean, and I look forward to helping you out with the next download.